So guys, if you are trying to play Carx but I'm getting this error, it says under maintenance, server is under maintenance, find out more in our group, go to Facebook. So guys, what's really going on with Carx? Today in this video we will figure it out. Well, there is a very important update for you, so without further ado, let's get started. So looks like Carx Technologies is ready to introduce their latest update. Looks like due to some maintenance work going on, your game might not be working right now. And we have got recent update in the Carx Technologies Facebook page. So here you can see just few hours ago we got this one. Well, it says, "What's up drivers, we are happy to inform you that we are ready to introduce Carx Drift Racing 21.21.0 update, and due to that we have to do server maintenance work in a short period of time, so game won't be available for some time." But it's not just only that, there is a very important thing that you should do, so don't forget to sync your progress up to this point. They are gonna announce when it is possible to return to the game. Thanks you and see you on the track. And this is the recent reply from a user. Anyone still under maintenance? Cause I am. So I mean, clearly a few minutes ago we got this update from a user, and Carx Technology says maintenance is still going on. Now the most important question is when this game will be back again. So I headed over to the Carx Technologies Twitter page and let's see whether we got any update over there. So here they have got the same tweet saying that there is a maintenance period going on, and yeah. But guys, apart from that, here at least here onto the Twitter we don't got any estimated time or any sort of thing. But luckily many users are discussing about this current situation, and here you can see just 1 hour ago still under maintenance after 5 hours, and just 11 minutes ago maintenance until what time. So I mean, looks like we didn't got any sort of a reply from the Carx Technologies, at least to this user. There it is guys, I have gone through pretty much all the comments but didn't found any sort of estimation when this server issue is gonna get fixed. But don't worry, Carx Technologies is already working on it. I mean, that's gonna get fixed soon. So I hope this video was helpful, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.